you get to run up a little stage? I wish you could just get Mandy to come to the studio. Monday, if you're listening. It's only 8:43. Good morning. It's the Energy Breakfast Club. You're hanging out with me, Rita, 3-Man Army, and on the ones and twos, DJ Regan. I've just seen a tweet from only Hermosa that I feel like I need to bring to the table. So she says, if a girl ever asks you for money, she does not really like you. Yeah? But then I'm like, okay, cool, we've gone past the whole point. I'll ask you for the money if I need it. After how long is it okay for me to ask a man for money that I'm seeing, dating?
For like after 3 years. 3 2 years.